Hello, friends. Today, we will explore a fruit that is both delicious and nutritious, melon. Known for its sweet taste and high nutritional value, cantaloupe is not only a favorite dish, but also the pride of many farms around the world. Originating from Africa, melon is now available everywhere, including Vietnam with 3 regions, North, Central, and South. If you are planning to grow cantaloupe or simply want to learn the process of growing and caring for this fruit, join me to learn in today's video. 1. From seed to garden. First, melon seeds are sown in a greenhouse under strictly controlled conditions so that the plants grow healthily. After about 5 weeks, the seedlings will be moved out and planted in the ground. To protect plants from weeds and pests, as well as maintain soil moisture, growers use plastic mulch. This mulch not only helps retain moisture, but also warms the soil, promoting faster plant growth and earlier fruit ripening. 2. Watering and care. When watering cantaloupe, be sure to use clean water from a stream or well with a pH of 6 to 7. The amount of watering should be reduced when the plant begins to flower and form fruit. Removing the plastic mulch when the tree has matured will create conditions for insect pollination and help the tree grow better. 3. Care techniques. To have the best quality cantaloupes, you need to pinch the tops regularly to stimulate the growth of branchlets. When the tree begins to bear fruit, pinch the top so that the tree concentrates its nutrients on the fruit. You should only keep 1 to 2 fruits per tree to ensure the fruits grow largest and most delicious. Tasks such as pruning and topping should be done in the morning to avoid spreading diseases to the tree. Number 4. Pollination and harvesting. Cantaloupes need the help of honeybees for pollination. For greenhouse gardens, you need to add honeybees to ensure pollination takes place at the right time. When harvesting, cantaloupes should be picked when the stem begins to crack and the fruit is yellow or ivory white, fragrant, and has clear veins. 5. Packaging and shipping. After harvesting, the melons will be cleaned, sorted by size, and packed into boxes. This process helps ensure that each box of melons is of uniform quality and is prepared to reach consumers. Some melon varieties, like Canaria melons, can be stored longer thanks to their hard skin. 6. Health and convenience. Cantaloupe contains up to 90% water, making it an ideal dish to quench thirst and supplement vitamin C. To serve the increasing demand of consumers, cantaloupe is also peeled and cut into pieces, small by automatic machinery, saving time and effort. So we have finished exploring the process of growing, caring for, and processing cantaloupe. Hopefully today's video has brought you a lot of useful and interesting information. Thank you for following. Don't forget to follow and see you again in me on Suly's next videos. Hope you have a wonderful day.